Okay. Oh god. Almost dropped my table. Ooh. Hi everyone, T with an IV View today. And for today's video, what I had planned was a Halloween special, but yeah, this is not an Halloween special, anything like it. It's a rainbow special. So, okay, first of all, let's turn the background rainbow, right? Like that, cool. I was going through my chest of footages, folder of footage folder, yeah, that's how you say it, and I found a recording from a Twitch stream back a few months ago, and I was doing the pride piece for this year. It was a tiger rainbow piece thingy, and I saw myself thinking, oh, I said I was gonna teach people how to do this, but I never did, so why not do the edit now? And this is what we're gonna watch today. So I'm gonna jump on Photoshop, show you how I did it back then and how I still do it, and then I'm gonna just play the SpeedEdit for you guys to see an actual piece being done. And if you have any questions, leave it down below. There's a lot of good artists that do this, so I'm gonna leave a few on the description box below if you have like ideas, or if you have like artists that you follow that do this, please leave a comment and tell me their username so I can check them out. And yeah, if you do a piece with a rainbow technique like this, tag me on Instagram so I can see it and maybe even share it on my next video, maybe, I don't know. And yeah, okay, let's jump into Photoshop. I already created, oh, by the way, this is the layout from my Twitch streams. I'm just adapting it to YouTube, so there's that. Okay, so I've already created all the layers that I need for this, but I'm gonna explain how I did it and what I did. You have your image, and you're gonna go to adjustment layers, and you're gonna create a UN saturation layer. Oh my god, you can't really see me. Let's change cameras, shall we? Let's go to this camera. There you go. You can't really see me on the other one. We create a UN saturation layer. We press colorize because that's what, oh, no, that's the camera. I forgot. Because that's how you just like colorize the whole photo with a single color. And then you go and change the color to whatever color from the rainbow you're going to use. Like if I wanted, I don't know, like green, I would go to green, and then you decide what's the saturation of your rainbow. I went with 70 to 80 value for my previously done adjustment layers, but you can go with whatever you want. I usually go for a high saturation value, and then if I don't really like it, I group all the adjustment layers and I just tweak the saturation at the end. I'm gonna also show you that. So let me delete this one because we don't need two green layers. I pressed Ctrl E, selecting the mask, and so I could invert the layers because black doesn't show. No, black hides, white shows. That's what people usually say. So with a soft brush, this is how I do it for things like this. Here I'm gonna go with a soft brush. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go with a soft brush and just paint with white. And I'm gonna be doing a very rough paint job in this, just so it gives you the idea, and then when you're watching the Twitch stream recording, you're gonna see me actually do a piece properly. You can see here the yellow, it's a bit more muted than what you see on the rainbow, but that's just what happens when you work with yellow. It's just not gonna merge very well. Usually I just end up at the end mixing it a little bit better with a color balance adjustment layer, or what's his name, selective color. Let's say that's our rainbow, and then to be fun, let's add a third adjustment layer. Not a third, this is what, a seventh adjustment layer, and just take the saturation out. I invert it, and I'm gonna paint the rest of the image with 0 saturation. That's just like, oh, the world doesn't have color or something. I don't know. I wanted to give it a little bit of a backstory because that's how I work, I guess. Yeah, okay, so this is our rainbow, right? Now, two things that you could do are, you can go and adjust the levels and make it pop a bit more, and then you can just go like, I don't know, like, okay, I want more green overall or more purple overall. This is magenta, it's not purple. You can do that, or you could go with the color balance and just adjust the overall vibe, and that is gonna like fix the whole rainbow depending on your style, your personal taste. It doesn't really like matter much. There's not a correct way to do this or a wrong way to do this. It's just, yeah, use a saturation, saturation layer, and that's how you achieve this look. Yeah, so that's it. It's not a very complicated method. I don't know why, but people usually struggle a little bit to get this effect. And if you have any questions, please drop them on the comment section below. Like I said, if you do this, let me know on Instagram, and I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the SpeedEdit. Goodbye.